Okay, let's try and start the engine now. It will be noisy because I haven't got the full exhaust on. I've only got one cat and one silencer on, and it's not connected properly, so it will be noisier than normal. It is going to be tappity because the oil's going to need to circulate around the engine. Give that a few minutes and that should hopefully quieten down. Okay, so I've had it running now for a few minutes. Let's just check the oil circulating. Okay, the oil pressure warning light's gone off. We've got oil circulating around the engine. Still got plenty of oil on the old dipstick. What I have noticed is I have got a coolant leak. It's coming from the side of the engine, so worst case is I need to take the cam belt off and just double check the water pump sealed okay. As you can see, it's dripping down there, so I need to find out what I've missed there. Okay, now I'm going to remove the suspension, install the bilsten shocker. What I need to do first is remove the 3 bolts on top of here to undo the shocker, and it is 1, 2, 3 bolts there. Undo the bolt here. Undo the 4 bolts holding the wishbone on, just loosen them off so the wishbone sags down a little bit to give me a little bit more access, and these 2 bolts here. So I'm going to get cracking on that. I'll probably fast forward it in the video because there's not much to see really, so let's get it done. Okay, that shocker removed. It was a new shock, but the problem I have is with it being lowered, there's not enough thread there, so it comes through and pops up and pops down, and it shouldn't do. So the bilsten ones are designed to be lowered, so these should fit perfectly. I should be able to get the drive shaft in without removing that. And swap that shocker over. Okay, now I've installed the bilsten shocker on the spring with the top mount. Going to install it now to the car. Again, just the reverse of what I've done to take it off, but you do need to lever the wishbone down to get access over the drive shaft. Knocking the paintwork. The last thing to do is the lower wishbone bolts. Space around there as well. I do hate putting GTV wheels on and 145 wheels on because you don't have much of a spigot ring to attach anything. Definitely wouldn't want to change wheel and have to stand up. I have to rest my foot underneath it. These wheels are going to be refurbished and have some brand new tyres fitted. There we go, give that a day or so to settle down and it should come to the correct ride height. Okay, there we go. Ever so happy that I've got the engine started today and I've got the suspension all done now. There's still quite a long list of jobs that need doing, but the main one is the engine starts. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.